Okay, guys, so let's do. Okay, so the girl is the brother, the boy is Blake. Because there's 3 kids, so they're having a baby in December. And you know what that means? They're having a baby. They're really money.
Okay, so again, after 5F3RX39, F5F29Y2, and the last booking. Okay, so just give me a moment, okay? Thank you.
Back to the, and they have here sunshine and shiny, mom, and night, and stuff. And there's the parents. Bye, guys.